What is up? I hope everyone's day is going good. It's around 10:30, so most people are probably off the charts by now. Let me just get this right here. So, today we're going to talk about some psychology stuff, some stuff about God, the price action today, maybe a little bit. But I want to more focus on psychology, specifically myself, because as you can see, I lost $600 today, 5 trades, and it just sucks, dude. It really does suck. But good thing I'm still up 1,600 on the account. We finished last week up 1,400, which is awesome. And one thing I just want to get right into is I may be down today, but you're going to feel those emotions off the bat. You're going to lose the money and it's going to suck. But after you feel those and move on, you really just need to move, you need to get out of that funk. But either way, so the way that this chart makes you feel, it totally hypnotizes you to feel like trading is ups and downs. One day I'm up, and then I lose $2,000, and then I'm in drawdown the next day, so that means my journey has gone down. That is not how you want to be looking at it. Day trading is one journey either going up or sideways, however you want to think about it. Each day you are getting closer and closer to the best version of yourself. You're never going to get to the actual best version of yourself, but that was what you're chasing. And you're getting closer and closer. You're getting better at what you do every day. Just because you're down on the day, it does not change anything about you. It doesn't change anything about your system. It's actually good. I lost $600 on the day, and I've been doing really good. I haven't been losing that much, but I've been having these days throughout the week where I lose $600, and it really kills my account. Like, if I were to just sit this day out, I would be up $2,000 on the week instead of $1,400, and that is a big difference. And I can't worry about it and let it drag me down, because what it teaches me is that I have issues that I need to fix, and it gives me stuff to work on. When I work on those things, I will become a better trader. I know how I need to get there. I know what I need to do. Like, for example, today, I completely strayed away from my model. I didn't use my model. I traded stupid. I gambled. And you guys have to understand that where God comes into this is that you need to have a passion for what you're doing. In the Bible, it says that you need to be passionate about the way that, like, if you're a businessman, if you have a business and you're trying to make money, you need to be passionate about it and have God part of, like, your life when it comes to making money, because He gives us everything. It's not, oh, I have God on my left shoulder and then I have my business on I got to balance them out. No, God is above all. God gives you this. He actually has control of it. He has control of what's going to happen for you. If He sees that you are a day trader like me, and you have the wrong desires for money, and you are trying to get at the money for the wrong things, and you're gambling, maybe he'll let the devil get to you. He'll let the devil talk in your ear and make you feel greedy and overtrade and lose the money. He'll let that happen. He's not going to ever purposely make you suffer. God doesn't want to do that, but He will let things happen to you to teach you lessons and get you out of it. And, like, one thing you have to realize is, like, everyone's different. God's path is different for everyone. So if God doesn't feel like this current endeavor is for you, you have to be okay with Him showing you that and taking it out of your life. If He doesn't let something be fruitful in your life, maybe it's not for you. God will bring the things to you that are for you and that you can flourish from. And I think God let me lose this money today to teach me a lesson, because I've been over trading. As you can see, this day I took 9 trades. I've been trading outside of my model. I've been trading a little discretionary, and it hasn't been kicking me in the ass too hard. But this today is kind of devastating. I lost $600 when the price action was really good. Like, if I wouldn't have done that, I would have already hit TP right now if I wasn't being greedy. But it's safe to say that you could target this 4-hour gap, and this would be a huge trade that would put my account up so much. this trade alone right here, which is definitely one that I would have taken, is 3R. I would have probably made around $1,500 on this, and that would put me ahead so much on this account, and it would be amazing. But that didn't happen today because I broke my rules and I traded outside my model. I missed out on the actual consistency that could have happened. Because when you're not trading by your rules and by your model, everything is different every day. You're not on a routine which allows you to collect data and know your win rate in a proven strategy. All of that is messed up when you trade different every day. As you can see, my win rate has been coming down a lot, and it's been because I've been over trading and trading stupidly. But as you guys know, if you guys follow me and look at my TikTok, all throughout these weeks my win rate was phenomenal. It was like 80%. But now I'm letting the greed get to me. I'm letting these things get to me that I don't really want in my life. My passion is to become a good trader and to perform in the market with a proven system that works and flawlessly follow my system. But I'm letting greed get in the way of that. So this is just something that you guys can think about. And like I said, there's always ways that you can get around this. Like we can't trust our fleshly desires to perform, because it's normal for a human to want money and crave it more than other things. It's normal. So if you need to, you can do things like set a trade lockout. Like that's what I did. The day that I set a trade lockout for my account, one trade a day, is the day that I technically turned profitable and started not making money, but when I passed my first account, and because I traded so long without passing an account, and I finally made one change, which was setting a trade lockout, which pushed me in the right direction to do what I needed to do to become profitable. So yeah, that was a lot of information that I just threw at you guys. Let's just go over this real quick. As you guys know, there's a lot of crazy stuff going on with the government right now. Price action's a little wacky, but we came down off of market open and hit this new week opening gap, which is a very prominent level when it comes to where price wants to go. And once we saw this 2-minute inverse off of that, you could have entered off that. You could have entered off of it tapping back into like a 1-minute fair value gap. But I would have entered off the 2-minute inverse. Now that we are moving up, this is a great move that you could have caught. Would have gotten break even at this point right here, and it would have been a huge trade. Awesome. But unfortunately, I did miss out on it because I hit my maximum loss limit for today, and it really does suck. But what are you gonna do? All I have to do is just perform better tomorrow, learn from this, don't let this happen again. If I lose again tomorrow, but I do it how I know I'm supposed to, if I take a genuine loss tomorrow, taking a model or a setup that I'm happy with, I will not be mad about that. It'll suck, but I'll walk it off and it'll be fine. But until then, good luck to you guys in your trading journeys. Leave a comment, subscribe, like. I would really appreciate it, and have a good rest of your day.